Here are 3 websites to take your SQL skills to the next level. If we haven't met yet, my name is Luis, and I'm here to help you break into data analytics or improve your data analytics skills. You're going to want some SQL experience before jumping into these, so if you're just starting out, go back and watch the video on how to learn SQL or check the link in my bio for all the links. The first website is going to be datalemur.com, where you're able to take real SQL interview questions used by companies like Facebook, Microsoft, and PayPal. You're given info regarding one or multiple SQL tables and are tasked with solving a business problem using SQL. If you get stuck, you can also take a look at the step-by-step solution to see exactly which skills you need to brush up on. The free tier offers over 40 SQL questions that range from easy to hard, while the paid tier offers over 100 SQL questions for you to practice. Next up is hackerrank.com. You can use this website to practice multiple languages like Python, C, and Java, but they also offer over 50 SQL practice questions. It's very similar to the previous website where you're given the description of one or multiple SQL tables and a specific query to solve for. All the SQL questions are free to access, and you can even get progress badges to add to your LinkedIn profile. Last but not least is LeetCode.com. They have around 100 SQL questions for you to solve. 33 of them are completely free, while the rest are behind their premium plan. LeetCode is a bit different, as you're not only able to see other people's solutions, but you can also see how quickly their SQL queries ran, which I find very useful, as you can leverage that to learn not only other ways to solve SQL problems, but more efficient ways to do so. And that's it. I hope these websites help you in your SQL journey. I would start with HackerRank and finish all their exercises. Then I would move on to datalemur.com, as even their premium plan is very reasonably priced at $15 a month or $60 for a whole year. LeetCode is a little more pricey at $159 a year or $35 a month, but I'll let you decide what's best for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.